Alright, so the very first thing I'm going to do in this haircut, as you can see, is I'm going to section off the top up and away. And I'm going to start by taking sections here on the side, and I'm just going through and taking out a lot of the weight that's there. We're going to take the sides and back down much more shorter than this, but I just wanted to go through and take these sides and back down to at least the length of my fingers, and then decide how much shorter I want to take the hair from there. A lot of times I have an idea of what I want to do, but I'm not exactly sure, and I kind of let the haircut inspire me throughout the process. So as I start to cut, think of a sculptor who sculpts. He might know exactly what he wants as an end result, but he's not exactly sure how he's going to get to that end result until he starts carving into the wood or the stone, whatever it may be. In this particular case, it's hair. And you start, as you start looking at your work kind of form, it inspires new ideas. And so basically what I like to do is just go with what I already know for sure I'm going to do, which is I'm going to take the sides back and take the sides and back short, and then as I do so, I let that haircut inspire me on how short I take it. Maybe I leave it a little longer than I thought. Maybe I take it nice and tight. But basically, as I start the process, it's amazing how much inspiration you can get from the actual hair, or in this particular case, the hair, whatever the material is. I've spoken to artists who sculpt, and they say, you know, we know what we want, but we're not 100% sure how we're going to get there until they start. And then that material inspires them to carry on through that progress, however they may, carry on, whether they change it, switch it up, keep going according to plan. However inspiration hits them is kind of how they go. All right, so you can see I did the right side. Now I'm sectioning the left side up and away. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the left side that I did on the right side. Not a whole lot to explain here. So we will just carry on with the haircut. Alright, so now I'm going to go through and cut the top. You can see the top is very long, so we're going to take that down a bit just to lighten it up so it's not so heavy. Alright, well here I am doing some scissor over comb to take the sides a little bit tighter, and I'm going to work that scissor over comb throughout the sides and back. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking sections where I'm blending the sides with the top. I've taken the sides down shorter using scissor over comb, and with the top being longer, I'm just going through, and you can see right there, just kind of taking that corner out to blend it. Alright, not a whole lot to explain here other than I'm using the trimmers just to go through and sharpen up and clean the outline. Alright, so if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to put any questions or comments down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.